Hello. What is up, everybody? It is Fitz and Rolls the Truck back here with another video. Now, I just want to make a quick little video to explain how I got rid of my lifter tick. Huge shout out to CJ Miller on Instagram. I'll put it up right here. I think it's Millakilla D21, but again, I'll flash it up right now. Anyways, he is the one that actually told me about how to get rid of lifter tick, or something to try before I went and did the mystery oil or started checking the valves or the rocker arms, or just open up the valve cover and look in to see what we got. I was talking to him on Instagram. Sick truck, by the way, if you end up seeing this video. Huge inspiration for building and getting a mini truck. So he was telling me to rev it at about 2,000 RPMs for about 5 minutes. Before I did do this trick, I went and got the oil changed. That was the first step to do this. He was just saying go on the highway. Just go for a nice highway cruise, 55, 60 miles an hour, 5th gear, should work. So I ended up driving. It's like, you know what? Let's try this. I don't have anything else to do. Let's do it. So I went up the highway, probably about 10 minutes. By the time I got to my turnaround spot, it was a lot quieter. It was still doing it, but it was a lot quieter. So turned around on the way back, went ahead and gassed it a couple times, nothing crazy, but just to get the engine going. And by the time I got home, lifter tick was completely gone. And every time I've started up since then, I haven't had any issues at all. But after that, anyways, that's how I got rid of lifter tick. I feel like this isn't gonna work for a lot of people, but it's definitely worth a try. So this has been Fitz and Rolls the Truck, back here with another video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Be sure to like, subscribe, share. Just stay tuned with the build, man. We have a lot of stuff coming for this truck. All gets here this week. So anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one.